In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets to Notion, and will ensure that by the end of this, you'll be able to customize your workspace like a pro. Widgets are a fantastic way to enhance the functionality of your Notion pages, adding visual flair and interactive elements, allowing you to streamline your workflow and make your Notion pages truly your own. Let's start by ensuring you have Notion open and ready. Go ahead and select the page where you'd like to add a widget. If you're new to Notion, simply create a new page by clicking on the Add a Page button on the sidebar. Title it however you wish, as this will be the canvas where you'll be adding your widgets. Now that we have our page set up, we need to find the widget you want to use. Various websites offer widgets specifically designed for Notion, such as weather, countdowns, calendars, or even interactive widgets like habit trackers. Find a widget that suits your needs, and once you have chosen one, they will typically provide you with a link or a code snippet. Copy this link or code to your clipboard because you will need it shortly. With this link ready, return to Notion and navigate back to your page. Now, click to add a new block by hovering over your page and selecting the plus sign that appears. In the block menu, choose the Embed option. This step is critical because it allows you to paste the widget link you earlier copied into the provided field. Once pasted, confirm by clicking Embed Link. You should see your widget appear directly on your Notion page. Take a moment to adjust the size and positioning of your widget. You can easily do this by clicking on the widget and dragging its corners to resize it. Ensure it's visually appealing and fits well within the flow of your page content. If the widget isn't displaying correctly, double-check that you've copied the correct link and try embedding it again. Sometimes you might experience issues with widget permissions. If a widget doesn't load or update, ensure your widget source allows third-party websites. Also, some widgets may have settings you can tweak by returning to the widget provider's site. Adjustments here can automatically reflect on your Notion page, thanks to the dynamic nature of embedding. And there you have it. You now know how to add widgets to your Notion. Feel free to experiment with different widget types until you find the right combination that elevates your productivity and page design. Remember, the key here is to enhance functionality while keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. Thank you for tuning in.